एज अ चाइल्डको रूपमा कस्तो हुनुहुन्थ्यो हजुर?
I was born in India. My father was in the Indian Army. So after every second year, he was transferred from one state to another. So I have almost covered almost all part of India. Then I did my Bachelor of Science, and then I did hotel management. From my childhood, I was very much interested in hospitality. So that is how the best sector to choose was hospitality industry. So hotel industry. I worked for 16 years. As a child, I was very reserved, quite reserved in my own, little creative, and wanted to see new places. So that is one of the results, one of the reason why I am working in Nepal, because Nepal is beautiful. So this is my childhood.
त्यो लक्ष्य के थियो एउटा जीवनमा यो बन्छु भन्ने एउटा सानोमा?
जीवनमा लक्ष्य थियो, you have to work for the people and be very good host, right? Hospitality means you have to be very good host. So that was my aim, because from my childhood I had seen my mother. She used to be very good host. Any guest coming in the house, she used to really take very good care. So that helped me a lot, and I consider my mother as my role model. Though she left us in 2000, but that was one lady who actually encouraged me to join hospitality. So from that time, I was very keen and wanted to become a general manager of a 5-star hotel. I have already become a general manager. Now I thought, why not? Hospitality is not only hotels. It could be in hospitals, it could be in customer care, it could be in food industry, anything. So that's how I thought, after working for 16 years, let me try working in a hospital. Here I think it is more challenging, because here you are serving patients. In hospital you serve people who come for leisure, but here people come for treatment. On a humorous note, in a hotel we always say we would like to see you soon, but in hospital I don't want to say to anybody that we would like to see you soon, because we want them to get well, and I don't want anybody to come to the hospital, because they have to be fit and healthy.
हस्पिटालिटीलाई चाहिँ पहिल्यैदेखि जब लक्ष्य बनाउनु भएको रहेछ, एन्ड त्यो बिस्तारै तपाईँले त्यसलाई रूपान्तरण गर्दै पनि आउनुभयो. युआर देयर एट पोखरा ग्रान्डीमा काम गर्नुभयो, रेडिसनमा काम गर्नुभयो, एन्ड नाउ अहिले आएर नर्बिकमा आउनु भएको छ, जुन चाहिँ अब हस्पिटालिटी अलिकति फरक देख्नु किन होला?
हस्पिटल अल्सो इज ए हस्पिटालिटी एरिया. किन होटेलमा पनि मान्छे स्टे गर्न जान्छ, हस्पिटलमा पनि स्टे गर्ने मान्छे आउँछ. फेरि पनि in hospital you are more, as I said, it is more challenging. Why? Because birami manche aako ho, and your aim is to see that he gets well soon and he goes home. So it is more challenging than a hotel. Hotel people just come for enjoyment, for leisure, but I think hospitality, hospital job is more interesting, more challenging. And here you really have people who go back with their good health. They really thank you and go back. So this is the difference between hotel and hospital, but both are hospitality. Here also we have kitchen, here also we have rooms, here also we have services, here also we have everything, housekeeping and everything. So it is just like a hotel only, but more challenging than a hotel.